Hi, today in front of me is ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold our device home screen with the finger, and then we'll see here the add a widgets icon. After that, we'll see here all the available applications, what widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar shadow. Just to add the widget, we should hold it and then just drag it to our home screen. So if you want to resize the widget, you should hold it, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to move it here on the screen or between the screens, just you should hold it and then drag it. By the same way, we can create also the new screens. And just to remove it from our home screen, hold it for a while and then click to delete, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.